Collect, inspire, and create. I found this and I thought it was a pretty cool little barbecue and not a hint of pink on it. So let's bust it open and take a good look at it. Looks like we could just cut a couple of pieces of clear tape up towards the top here and pull it out. The tray slides out pretty easy once you get this open. And all the items are in a little tray. They come out pretty easy. Included is this base unit with some textured charcoal on the bottom. A two-sided grill, one with nothing on it. And you can flip it over and there's beautifully detailed kebabs and corn, a few other things. Looks really nice. I really like the detail. The top of this does have Barbie on one side. It could easily be sanded off or covered. And it fits on top of it pretty snugly. These tongs are pretty cool. They of course have the handle for Barbie, but we could always cut that off for G.I. Joe. And of course a little seasoning bottle. I think this would be a great accessory for a G.I. Joe base camp, or maybe just a small outpost camp. I don't think you'd even have to worry about the Barbie that's printed on it. And once you cut the things off the tongs and the seasoning bottle, I think it'd be a great fit for G.I. Joe. I think we're going to have to make some sort of camp table to put this on. But in all, I really like this set. I think it was a pretty good buy. Let me know in the comment section if you think this is a buy or a pass. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy my videos, please consider subscribing. Follow me on social media. Want to help support this channel? Become a Patreon member. Until next time, don't forget to collect, inspire, and create.